All right, coach. First defeat of the season. First of all, how important is it to feel this feeling and also learn from this feeling?
It's not like you want to lose, but the game is finished now. We have to put it in perspective. It's not that we played bad. You recorded the game on your side. Not that we played bad, but it's just moments. One transition and then because we knew they are always dangerous set pieces, transitions, and they scored. Credit to them. We got a few chances. I think maybe the video will confirm it. Yeah, and I would just never put them away. But overall, it was a very good game between two teams that made it at least to the round of 16 last year. It's a competitive group, and we always know coming down here is not an easy game, whether it's sunny or it's rainy. The field makes it a little bit difficult, and now they have 3 home games. You will see the results in the upcoming games at them playing at home.
But a game like this now, would you say that you'd have to teach as a coach, especially going up against opponents like this, a lot more of what the competition have to offer?
No, it was expected. Expected in terms of how the opponents would approach the game. I just think that we have to be a little bit more cognizant in terms of if you get 1 or 2 chances, you have to make it count, especially playing away at venues like this.
The games are fine margins.
Yeah, fine margins, especially where you get the crowd in the game. And as the game went longer, they started to believe more, and then that energy transferred to their players. So it's very important that at venues like this, you have to take the crowd out of the game.
Yeah, but overall, good performance from the team. Would you say any areas in the team that you think that scenes that you need to work on a little bit or fix up a little bit?
No, just overall, it's about getting our team to perform better each game that we play. And we have a big squad in terms of players 14 up to 18, and we'll be utilizing our team. So as best as possible, we want every player to get better. And then as a team, we collectively put that together.
All right, coach. And best of luck the rest of the season.
Thank you very much.